11 General Orders. Number 2. To walk in alert manner during my tour of duty and observe everything within sight or hearing. Sa Tagalog, lumakad sa aking puok na laging handa at nagmamasid o nagmamanman sa anumang mangyari sa aking paligid na maaring makita, madinig, at anumang maamoy. Thanks for watching.